Hey everyone, it's James the Nugget Hunter here. Figured today I should show everyone the process of getting our gold into our pan in a can. Here's where we got and make our pan in a can Paydirt. But I figure I should shoot a few little videos. We'll put them together and you guys can see the process. So right here we got some clean out from the nip and tuck. Just picked it up from Steve. So first step we got to do is get all the gold out. Got to get it all out. We don't want to throw none away. So first thing we'll do, got all the screens here. There's a little bit of gold from somewhere else. That'll be clean later. But here's a bunch of screens. We're going to put all of this, and I actually have a tub outside too. We're going to put the tub and this through all the screens. So I'll get that all started and I'll check back in. Alright, I'm out here in my front yard. I got the bucket of concentrate so you can see the pyrites and almost see the gold in it. I got that. I'm going to put it through screens. I'm going to start with this 8 mesh, which is 1/8 of an inch holes. Put it all through there so we can makes it easier to pan. And then we'll go through progressively finer and finer screens. That way we can pan all the gold with the same size material, and it'll make it nice and easy to pan, and we won't lose anything. So first we'll turn on the hose, I guess. And we'll take a scoop of material here. Ooh, look at that concreted in from rattling down the road. Put into the screen. All the stuff that stays in the screen, we'll put into this bucket and we'll pan it out. Put some more. We'll keep doing this till that whole bucket's gone. So check back once we've gone through a few screens here, right? Alright, we got some of it all screened out. It's getting really hot out. It's a plus 30-degree day, but we're gonna power through. That stuff is 30 mesh. This is 20 mesh. 20 mesh and 30 mesh. And then in here is all the 50, 100 and below. It's getting pretty darn hot, so I don't know if I'm gonna screen that right now, but we'll pan these two out and see what we got. Well, it's getting late. It was a hot day, so everything took forever to do. But I figure I should show you guys the result of that cleanup. So just finishing up. There's still all the super fine stuff to do, but there's a bunch of the fines. So the light's not that great right here. See there, that's a bit better. Yeah, there's a bunch of the 1/30th of an inch stuff. And then this is what we got. Steve had panned out and what I'd rechecked. So there's a bit in there for panning a can. Yeah. So if you want any of this gold, it's going to be available on the website right away. So all there is left to do is screen this gold to the appropriate sizes so it's ready to put in the cans. Alright, till next time, guys. See you later. Lily says bye.